Saka na ta sa museo. Surigao. Surigao mi ma'am. Surigao ma'am. Karagat 13.
Kamuran ba ha?
O tayo ma'am makauban na contest pa.
Oo, sige. Sir, huwag lang kasi kay bye-bye.
O sige ma'am.
Na kami nag-tour.
Okay ra ma'am mag-video ma'am.
Pwede na kayo mag-video sir, pero mag-picture, wala yung flash. Bawal sa bulitan ang pag... Sige na, mag-discuss lang ka sir. Init ako sa mga kauban. Kata mo kasuglan na.
O sige ma'am. Hindi, unya, cameraman mo ano dire sila. Dito. Dire. Nag-contest pa man sila.
Sige, pasabay na lang kami sir.
O sige. Dali ma'am, dali na Emir. Salamat. Sunod na sa museo.
Pwede na po naman.
Sige ma'am. Salamat ma'am.
Now, in order to make coal, it has to undergo a process called carbonization, where a plant has to die and be covered up by sediments like soil and clay. And over a million years I mean, it must be pressurized and heat to turn into carbon, which is a element. And next is the Uling mine entrance. It's the neighboring barangay next to Barangay Arco. This is a replica of the existing
Yan nabukid ang gisabi oh.
Disclose the exact location.
Yan ba may nabukid mer?
And it is operational until the World War II. But now it's not operational. Just before the World War II. And here we have the train station and a train at City of Langa during the 1900s. It was built in 1907 until 1908. So this train station was used to transport people, goods, and the coal, of course, that it produced in the city of Langa. But now there are no remains of the trains and tracks.